Good morning, y'all. Happy Monday. I want to come out and give y'all an update of what's sprouting in the garden today. Y'all can see our tomato plant is getting big right here. Got some stuff sprouting up in that pot down there. Basil's looking better. Got some sprouting right there in that pot as well, y'all. Our Thai basil is looking better. Y'all see? Our Thai basil is looking a little better. I was going to repot it, but I changed my mind. I said I'd give it a little time. This tomato plant here is getting super tall and leggy. I gotta harvest our salad bowl. Y'all see that is? They went to seed, looking crazy. We got some pepper plants popping up in them two small bowls down there. The mint is off the chain. We got some squash popping up here. The bell pepper is doing better. Got some plants popping up here as well. There, y'all can see our carrots. Got a few carrots sprouting. Still don't see no beans sprouting. I might need to put some more beans in there, y'all. Zucchini plant. They're huge. Y'all see them? Zucchini plants are huge. And we actually got some little small zucchinis happening. Y'all see it down in there? That little zucchini happening in there. Look at that, y'all. Got some zucchini sprouting. Swiss chard is looking good. I need to harvest some of this Swiss chard today to cook it as well. We got some stuff sprouting up back there. Y'all can see I need to harvest some pineapple sage as well. It's huge. Back here looks like a tomato plant popping up in that white pot there. Chives off the chain. I don't know what's in here, but hopefully it'll sprout up. I think that might be okra, y'all. I don't know. Go back around. This is what's sprouting today. It's June 22nd. Monday, June 22nd. This is what's sprouting in our garden. As y'all can see, we got a crazy harvest happening already. It's only the 22nd of June, so I'm gonna get out here today and harvest some lettuce. I'm gonna harvest some Swiss chard, some mint. Get out here and harvest a few things so we can keep our summer growing process going on. Comment down below what y'all growing this summer. It's your girl Jack from Zola Dolls Fresh Market. Catch y'all on the next one. Bye.